we're going to do some spelling. Real words with some sounds that we're practicing. There's ELias' face. And then we're going to do, the second video will be nonsense words. Okay, so let's do this again for your mom. Let's do the sounds. Tap to it for me. Duh. Aw. How many letters say aw? And what are they? Yeah, I see that. Okay, that'll do. You're not going to talk? Okay, and then your last sound is what? Right? Dawn. Good. Next, let's build this one. You ready? Schwa sound for A. We've talked about the schwa. It says usually at the beginning of the word, that means it's an A. Ow, d. What's our word? Say it out loud, come on.
Around.
Around. Point to the sound in around. Point to the sound. Point to the ow sound. How many letters does it take to say ow, to spell ow? 2, what are they? Say it out loud. It's good for your brain. He's making the symbols with his hands, Mom. Okay, O-U. And then with this sound, we have a final blend on here. So watch my mouth. Ow, d. Around. If you left out the you'd have around. So it's around. Okay? Got it? Now we're going to take a piece of paper. We're going to flip over that word. And you're going to use the chips to help you spell around. Okay, you ready? Okay, we're going to stop for this one.